Here in Florida, the pool is basically the centerpiece of every summer hangout, whether it's the 4th of July, a game watch party, or random weekend barbecues. And the problem is the same every single time. The pool doesn't get dirty once, it gets dirty all day. So cleaning it one time before guests show up doesn't really cut it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Beatbot actually makes an all-in-one robot that handles surface and floor cleaning in a single unit. It's called the Sora 70 and I've already reviewed it. I'll drop a link down below if you feel like checking it out. So why am I about to tell you that you might want to buy 2 robots instead of that one? Stick around because by the end of this video, I think it's going to make a lot of sense. Today, we're taking a look at the Beatbot Sora 30 and iSkim bundle. And the whole idea behind this bundle comes down to one thing. Pool cleaning was never really one job, it's 2. Think about it. The debris floating on top of your water behaves completely differently than the dirt, sand, and gunk that settles on the bottom. The surface stuff is light, it blows around, it's constantly landing throughout the day. The underwater stuff is heavy, it sinks, it sticks to the floor and the walls. Trying to get one robot to chase both of those at the same exact time is always going to be a bit of a compromise. So instead of one robot trying to do everything, Beatbot split the job between 2 specialists. The Sora 30 goes underneath and handles the floor, the walls, the water line, and your shallow areas. The iSkim lives up top and handles the surface. Put the 2 together, and you basically got a total pool care system, one robot for each layer. Let's start down below with the Sora 30 because this is the heavy hitter of the 2. It's the underwater robot that handles your floor, your walls, your water line, and your shallow platforms. Now, full disclosure, I've actually reviewed this one in a previous video, so I'll drop a link below if you want a deeper dive into it. But we're talking 6,800 GPH of suction power, so this is not some watered down little robot. It's pulling up sand, dirt, and leaves that sank to the bottom, all of it. In addition to the high suction power, the Sora 30 also has 4 roller brushes, 2 up front and 2 in the back. And it uses independent active brushes, meaning that the brushes are powered and scrubbing rather than just passively rolling along. This means that the robot is making contact with the floor across more of its body on every single pass. The front brushes loosen up and sweep debris towards the intake, and the rear brushes catch anything left behind. So it's agitating stuck-on grime and fine dirt more aggressively and picking up more in fewer passes. And the icing on the cake is that the Sora 30 takes advantage of back and forth S patterns in order to make the entire cleaning process as efficient as possible. And throughout the entire cleaning process, it's taking advantage of Beatbot's sonic sense obstacle avoidance, which relies on sonar to sense what's around the robot to steer around any objects it might encounter. It's got a 5-liter filter basket, and it comes with a 150 micron filtration system for your everyday cleaning. But if you want to get really granular and pull up the super fine stuff like pollen and silt, there's an optional 3 micron filter that you can add on later. Oh yeah, and when it comes to cleaning the filter basket, you can use a garden hose and just lightly spray the basket. Everything comes out really easily. It packs a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, and it can run for about 5 hours on a floor cleaning cycle. The max cleaning coverage of the Sora 70 is 3,230 square feet, making it perfect for residential sized pools. It cleans platforms down to about 8 inches, so if you've got a tanning ledge or a shallow shelf, it's not going to skip it, as long as your pool meets the requirements. But here's the feature I think people are going to appreciate the most day to day. When it's done, it doesn't just die at the bottom of the pool where you've got to fish it out. It's got smart surface parking, so it comes back up and parks right at the edge of the water, and you can even hit one button in the app to bring it to you. Anybody who's ever owned a robot that you've had to fish off the bottom of the pool knows exactly why this matters. Okay, now let's head up to the surface and talk about the iSkim. Honestly, this might be the better part of pool cleaning I'd want automated first because the surface is what makes your pool look dirty the second you walk outside. All it takes is one leaf or a couple of bugs, some pollen, and suddenly the whole thing looks neglected even if the water underneath is spotless. And if you've got trees around your pool like a lot of us do, or just catch one of those windy Florida afternoons, that debris does not stop landing. The iSkim just floats around on the surface and collects all of it for you, so you're not grabbing the net every 20 minutes. And the thing that makes it actually practical is the basket. It's a massive 9-liter basket, which is huge for a surface skimmer, and that matters because if your pool collects leaves all day, the last thing you want is to be emptying some tiny tray every couple of hours. Kind of defeats the purpose. It's also got a wide intake, about 29 to 270 millimeters, so it's not just pulling in the fine stuff, it can actually grab bigger leaves and debris too. And cleaning the basket on the iSkim is just as easy as the Sora 30. Simply remove it, take a garden hose, spray it down, and everything will come out nice and easy. The other part I really like is that it runs on solar. There's a 24-watt panel up top paired with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, which is the same as the Sora 30, and Beatbot rates it for up to 28 hours of runtime. In fact, when I took this thing out of the box, I didn't even plug it in to charge it, I just let it sit out in the sun. done. Realistically, this thing can just live in your pool and keep working in the background pretty much all day, every day without you ever thinking about it. You can set up schedules and control it right through the app. There's even a remote control section inside the app, so if you need to do spot cleaning rather than running an entire sequence, you can do that. It handles your edges and corners, and that's kind of the entire point of it. It's the always on layer. You set it and forget it. And in my opinion, that's the best kind of cleaning assistant. And whenever you need to empty the basket, rather than having to fish it from the center of the pool, there's a button that you can press inside of the app that will bring it to the edge. And then from there, you just lift it up and then empty the basket. And it's very, very lightweight. So now let's talk about the question you're probably already asking, which is why buy two robots? Why not just get the one that does everything? And that's a fair question. So first, the bigger picture. If you go out and shop for a pool robot right now, the vast majority of them pick a lane. They either crawl around your floor and completely ignore the surface, or they skim the surface and never touch the bottom. Either way, you're still doing half the job yourself. That's kind of been the deal with pool robots for a while now. So the whole reason this bundle exists is to stop making you choose. The Sora 30 takes everything below the waterline, the iSkim takes the surface, and both layers are actually covered all at the same time. Now, with all that being said, I'm sure some of you are thinking, but Jonathan, you mentioned that Beatbot makes the Sora 70, which is an all-in-one that does surface and floor in one unit. And you're absolutely right. The Sora 70 is a great robot, and it genuinely does both jobs. So why would you go with the bundle instead? Well, here's a couple reasons. The first one, and this is the biggest one, is simultaneity. The Sora 70 is still one robot, which means it can only do one thing at a time. It's either up top skimming or it's down below cleaning the floor. It has to take turns. The bundle doesn't take turns. The Sora 30 is down cleaning the floor while the iSkim is working the surface all at the exact same time. So for that all-day party situation where junk keeps landing on the water while the floor still needs a real cleaning, having both layers handled at once instead of one robot bouncing back and forth is legitimately a different experience. Now, to piggyback off of the first reason, the second is just as important, and that's the fact that it's going to speed up your cleaning process because you can run two robots at the same time to accomplish two different tasks versus having one robot having to finish the bottom and then start the surface. So if you're in a rush to get your pool cleaned up as fast as possible because you have company coming over, having the two robot bundle is going to do the job a little bit more efficiently and faster versus having one robot. And lastly, the third reason is dedicated capacity, which I don't find to be as important as the other two, but it just depends on your situation. The iSkim has that big 9-liter basket that does nothing but collect surface debris. On the all-in-one, that surface debris and your floor debris are both going into the same basket. So it's two jobs and two baskets versus two jobs and one basket. On a heavy debris day, or if your pool needs a deep cleaning, that's going to make a big difference. And here's the kicker that honestly surprised me. Currently, there's a sale going on where you can pick up the Sora 30 and the iSkim bundle for $1,048, which makes it $450 less than the Sora 70. Now, to be completely fair, I do have to mention the advantages of having the Sora 70. For one, it's one device instead of two, so it's less to store and less to charge. It also means that you're only emptying one basket versus two, so when it comes to maintenance, it's going to be a little bit easier with the Sora 70. Additionally, app control is a little bit easier with the Sora 70 since everything is controlled through one robot versus having to bounce back and forth between two. If you want to see a detailed comparison between the Sora 70 and the Sora 30, I highly recommend checking out my previous video. So I would go with the Sora 70 if you're looking for a smaller footprint, only want to empty out one basket, and maybe a slight improvement to ease of use. But if you're looking for something that's slightly more efficient, both layers covered at the same time, and you're looking to speed up the cleaning process, the bundle is definitely the move. Now, if you're interested, I'll go ahead and drop links in the description as well as the pinned comment to the Sora 70 as well as the bundle so you can compare both and see which one is right for you. And the timing is actually great right now. Beatbot is running their summer sale from July 1st all the way through the 26th with up to 45% off. So if you've been on the fence about investing in a pool robot, this is your window. If you could do me a favor and you found this video helpful, drop it a like, subscribe if you want to see more smart home stuff just like this, and let me know in the comments. Are you a surface cleaning person, a floor cleaning person, or are you finally ready to let two robots handle the whole thing for you? And of course, outside of that, I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.